Everybody fucking jump!
Top of the morning to you boys and girls. My name is Austin, and sorry for not uploading any videos for
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for southern Dauphin County in central Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Ltown, west central Lebanon County in central Pennsylvania. This includes the cities of Cleona, Cornwall, Jonestown, Lebanon, Myerstown, Palmyra, northeastern York County in central Pennsylvania. This includes the city of York, southwestern Lancaster County in central Pennsylvania. This includes the city of Lancaster. Until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar, indicating a severe thunderstorm capable of producing tornadoes. This dangerous storm was located near downtown Harrisburg and moving southwest at approximately 65 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Palmyra, Anvil, Cornwall, Myerstown, Cleona, Jonestown, Fredericksburg, Fort Indiantown Gap, Harrisburg, Hershey, Colonial Park, Middletown, Linglestown, Paxtonia, York, Hanover, Red Lion, New Freedom, Dallastown, Shrewsbury, Lancaster, Ephrata, Elizabethtown, Columbia, Lidditz, Mount Joy, Leloa, New Holland, Mannheim. This includes Interstate 81 from mile markers 11 to 109. Hazards: wind gusts of up to 90 miles an hour, golf ball-sized hail, and tornadoes. Source: radar indicated impact. Expect considerable damage to roofs, mobile homes, and trees. Unsecured objects outside will be tossed. These are dangerous storms that are capable of producing tornadic winds. Move indoors immediately. Head to the lowest floor in the building. Avoid windows. Stay inside until the storm passes. These storms are also producing cloud-to-ground lightning. Stay away from ground and metal objects. A tornado watch and severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect for the following counties: Adams, Berks, Bucks, Chester, Cumberland, Delaware, Franklin, Juniata, Mifflin, Monroe, Montgomery, Northumberland, Perry, Philadelphia, Schuylkill, Snyder, Somerset, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for the following counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, York.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I just want to tell you a little reminder that this is only a dramatization. This is not real. However, this could happen around that time when I'm at VidCon. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, as it will help me out a bunch. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell to get notifications, and be a part of the notification squad. If you have any ideas for my next video, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Be sure to join my Discord server, follow me on Twitter, and visit my website. Links to all those will be in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye! Now before you click away from this video, I have one more special announcement to make as of right now. As you guys are aware, Black Commentary Season 2 is coming back to my YouTube channel. And I just want to let you guys know that the first episode of Season 2 will air on August 3rd. Be sure to stay tuned for more information on the 3rd. And yeah. Also, before I forget, quick shout out to Ltown Legends. Be sure to check out his or her channel. in the description below. And be sure to subscribe to his or her channel and whatnot. And I just want to thank you all so much for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!